In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix HubSpot workflow errors step by step. If your automation isn't running properly, emails aren't sending, or contacts are getting stuck, don't worry. These are common issues, and they're usually very easy to fix once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the most common HubSpot workflow errors and exactly how to resolve them. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more HubSpot and automation tutorials. Let's get started. The first common error you might see is, this action cannot run due to missing data. This happens when a workflow action depends on a property that doesn't exist or isn't filled in for the contact, company, or deal. To fix this, go to Automation, then Workflows. Click on the workflow that's showing the error and open the History tab. From there, click Details to see exactly which action failed and why. Now check your enrollment trigger. Make sure the trigger guarantees that the required property exists. For example, if your workflow sends an email that requires first name, your trigger should ensure first name is known. If it doesn't, you can add an if-then branch before the failing action to confirm that the property exists. If the property is missing, you can route the contact down a different path. Another solution is to add an action before the failing step to copy or set a property value so the data is available when needed. The second common issue is email failed to send. This usually happens in workflows that send marketing emails. First, check that the email is published. If it's still in draft mode, the workflow cannot send it. Go to your marketing email section and confirm the status is published. Next, make sure the contact is subscribed to the correct email subscription type. Even if everything else is set up correctly, HubSpot will not send a marketing email to an unsubscribed contact. Finally, check that all required personalization tokens inside the email are filled. If a required token doesn't have a fallback value and the contact is missing that property, the email can fail. The third error you might encounter is object not found. This happens when the workflow tries to update or reference a contact, company, or deal that doesn't exist. It can also happen if a deal was deleted but the workflow is still trying to update it. To fix this, review the workflow action that's failing and confirm the referenced object actually exists. Make sure your workflow is correctly associated with the right object type and associations between contacts, companies, and deals are properly set up. The fourth issue is when your workflow seems stuck on a delay. This can happen if you're using a delay until a specific date or time, a delay until a property date, or a conditional delay waiting for a property that hasn't been filled in yet. To troubleshoot this, open the contact record, go to the workflow tab on the timeline, and check the exact reason for the delay. HubSpot will show you whether it's waiting for a date, a condition, or missing data. Once you identify the cause, you can update the property value or adjust the workflow settings. And that's how you fix the most common HubSpot workflow errors quickly and efficiently. Always start by checking the workflow history, confirm your properties exist, verify email settings, and review delays carefully. If this tutorial helped you fix your HubSpot workflow error, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy HubSpot guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.